Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today video the Kung Fu snake technique, including your hand technique, also your body movements, the steps, the stances. The snake is soft, but also fast and accurate. Snake Kung Fu hand technique here have the snake hand. Attack by left, attack by right. Flat and strong. So this must be one piece. You have to strong your wrist and your hand and finger become one piece to attack and rotate with this way. And also for snake kung fu, we have strike, flat. Use your boom part to attack the neck. If you miss, you can come back to attack by the other side of your hand. Have strike, upper strike. From the top, go down. Use this part. Relax your shoulder and your elbow. Also, your snake hand to block. Downside of blocking. From 45 your shoulder and go down. This is mostly for defense movement. If someone kicking or go low punch, you can really blocking by this way. Mostly you can transfer attack movement. It is the same for the other side. Snake hand blocking. Snake blocking is much more soft or called the redirection. So if someone punch you, you can do blocking. Depends on the timing and situation. Once you go blocking, you can quick come back. With multiple blocking, you can push and come back with the attack. The snake hand can be blocking in the up, like this right here. So mostly this connect to both hand, come back, attack the sideways, or can be straight like this way. Snake hand also can use mix with your punches. So you can blocking with your punch and attack straight by your snake hand. Same thing for the other side. So blocking and attack. And you can use them reversely. So you can use your snake hand to block and you punch straight and same thing fist, snake hand. Let's start the snake kung fu body movement. Standing right center. On your waist, twist left and right like a snake. And bend your knee slightly. Your shoulders just follows. Make it smooth. And the snake hand to twist just like snake. So this can be a blocking movement, the upper blocking. And you twist back, go attack by your left hand. There also can be block, locking, and attack by your other hand. The next technique, double hand blocking. This is for when someone to punch you straight. You go outside of the punch, you go double hand blocking, and quick slide in with the chop to attack side of the neck, and quick connect with an elbow. With this technique, your head to move first to adapt the punch. Same time, quick to block, and use your hand outside this part, quick attack to the neck. Start quick with also your body movement to lean forward with strike of your elbow. The next technique, blocking left hand and from down to right, blocking by your right hand. 1 and 2. This intention is blocking both of your attack by the punch. The first punch coming to right here, your left hand to blocking down. Another punch to attack, you from low and blocking this way. So leave your body more sideways to protect your head being attacked. You can to connect with this transfer to our attack movement. Quick step with elbow with straight between the both hands. So your both hand quick blocking and then attack. If you missed, you can use both hand to strike from top. Mostly your left hand, this part, to attack the neck right here, and this hand still leave between the arm and your chin, because the chin is the weakest part. So you need to protect your face and your chin. The next technique, double hand to block from up and go down, block like this way. This is to block when someone double punch, quick block. Avoid to make a too big a move. You will slow down your speed, doesn't work. Just got the runes can be defense, attack, to be block the boss punches. Right there. So small. Your shoulder does not move. Only your both hand to block right there. The next move, quick step with a low kick. To kick the stomach and attack by both hands to the eyes. The next technique, upper snake hand, 45. And straight. Come back this way and push down. How to use this one? The first one is go blocking to blocking a punch. Go outside of this punch, so you go block. And quick redirection to press down to this side. And quick grabbing, and this hand to press the arm, to grabbing and lock the person. This technique, you must be quick. This is one move. Blocking same time, you must cast the timing and press down. If you missed the timing and doesn't work, so blocking and press down, blocking and press down, like this, and quick grabbing the arm, and quick to go this. And same thing, we use the steps, and with twist, all power in one. Let's talk about how to use for this straight move in snake kung fu style. The first move, knee lift with your both snake hand like this. Clearly, if someone attack you, fit, sweep you, grabbing you, so you should quick knee lift like this, and you can chop down with your feet, like drop stance. Your feet go this way and quick drop, go down against the feet or little higher part of their leg. And from this drop stance, this movement transfer to a bow stance, and same time you both hand attack by your both snake hand. Very important transfer can gain much more power once you go this. Your feet, your knee, your hip, and same time, all the power in one. Thank you for watching, my friend, and I love you all. I see you in the next video, and bye bye.